Welcome back with the 4.0 magnitude earthquake that's 6 kilometers northwest of Gbawe, Ghana. If a person name or location, please correct me in comment section below. The way happened at 5:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Depth of 10 kilometers or 6.2 miles. If you happen to have felt this earthquake, let me know in the comment section below. And from where, as I do zoom into the epicenter, there's Gbawe, Gbawe right there. There's some salt ponds. So continuing on down, just south of Fuaman. Actually, the epicenter is near some homes over here. So that does seem to be it. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.